Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2016 Honda Civic Sedan LX. This one has only 65,000 original miles, and it only has 2 previous owners on it. And this one's in very, very nice, clean condition. This beautiful pure white color. Got a great engine attached to it. This one is powered by the ultra reliable 2.0 4-cylinder engine. This is a naturally aspirated motor. It's non-turbo. This vehicle is also equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite. So that little smooth pad there, that is the milliwave radar, and then it has the camera and the windshield as well too. But as you can see here, the body line's very clean, very nice. It also comes with the kind of rare chrome factory hubcaps. Really makes the vehicle stand out and look really nice. And then it comes with a nice clean interior, tan on black, with an original owner's manual, clean dashboard. Comes with rear backup camera, Bluetooth, AM/FM stereo, standard AC controls, and then down below we have an auxiliary connection for the USB and charging port. It also comes equipped with active econ mode, electronic rear parking brake, and brake holding system, which is nice at traffic lights. You can let your foot off the brake and then just hit the gas when you're ready to go again. It self-holds the car. Comes with keyless entry, dual cup holders, nice spacious center console, and then that's all retractable too, so everything moves around. And then up top we have our vanity mirrors, and then our dual map lights, speaker for the Bluetooth. And power options include windows, locks, mirrors. We also get tinted windows all the way around. And a nice spacious back seat as well too. You get split fold 60/40 rear seats, so the rear seats fold flat, giving more trunk space. So looking down that side of the vehicle, no dings, dents, or scratches. And then we got a nice clean trunk area with our spare tire and fuel filler neck in case you run out of gas. But the newer Civics don't designate the submodel. You kind of just have to tell by the features. So since this vehicle doesn't have a sunroof and it has more of the base style radio, you know it's an LX, as well as with the hubcaps that are on it. But tires are all in good shape. Automatic windows for the driver front and passenger front. And we got our power windows, locks, mirrors, and trunk release. And then coming around to the driver's side here, we have our collision detection, lane keep assist, traction control. And then we have a multifunction steering wheel to include volume, info, Bluetooth, as well as our adaptive cruise control switches. So full adaptive cruise, which is a very nice feature on the interstate. Automatic headlights, LED daytime running lights, interval front wipers, no warning lights on the dash, and 65,000 original miles. And then to turn on that, you would just hit the main button, and that's adaptive cruise and lane keep assist. And then if you turn on the econ mode, you'll see the green leaf. Some people don't like dash lights, so we'll leave them off for now, but ice cold AC.
People often do, but
and then stereo works great, and then rear backup camera. And you can also change those views to look straight down, wide angle lens. So pretty nice features there. But we have a replaced windshield and no cracks or chips, so everything's all ready to go. It's a total turnkey car, 65,000 original miles. If you're looking for a nice low mileage, fuel efficient 4-door sedan that won't leave you stranded, come down and see us. It's a beautiful Honda Civic, looks great in white, and it's offered at a really nice price. So come down, see us Meticulous Motors, and then online at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.